Thanks, Tom. I'm live at...
What are you looking for?
Keys? I need to borrow the car. Supposed to pick the boys up 10 minutes ago. You're gonna miss the first half at this rate.
These keys? Just don't rush when you're driving today, love. Drive safely, okay?
Yeah, Mum. Thanks.
Bye, Jack.
The Met Office has issued an amber weather warning in effect with storm Vincent approaching, with dangerous winds and flooding forecast.
Be careful driving today.
What do you mean?
Is anticipated. Motorists are urged
I'm a decent driver, you know.
extreme caution as visibility could be significantly reduced due to heavy rain and standing water.
I'm just saying, be extra careful. Don't have your music on full whack like you normally do. I'm serious.
I know. Drive safely.
Rainfall total could reach between 50 to 70 millimetres in some areas.
See you later, Mum.
To get you into the Saturday night spirit.
You look nice. Where you off?
Pub with Ollie and Mo. Then town with a few of the other boys. Can use the car tonight, yeah?
You're driving? Well, I can take you if you want to have a drink.
No, it's fine. I've got to pick the boys up anyway. Obviously, I'm not drinking.
Okay. Just drive safely.
Yeah.
No ferrying your mates around all hours.
I'll be fine, Mum.
And remember, I need the car tomorrow morning. We've got an early shift.
Yep, I'm just setting off now, mate. I'll be 5 minutes. I know some shortcuts.
Traffic is heavier than usual today, with both lanes on Northern Avenue currently closed due to a two-car collision that happened earlier this morning. There are reports of a fatality, but this remains unconfirmed and police are yet to issue a statement. We're also seeing heavy traffic in several other areas this morning, with delays reported on major motorways and key city routes. Congestion is building up due to ongoing roadworks on Old Church Road, but the morning rush hour traffic around the town centre is now starting to ease.
My Mum?
Drugs show promising results in early trials. In local news, Northern Avenue has now reopened following a serious road traffic collision. Police have now confirmed that a 47-year-old woman was declared dead at the scene and the woman's family have been notified. A 19-year-old man remains in police custody on suspicion of causing death by dangerous driving.